This is that the upper control arm. I already went ahead and put this upper control arm. It was pretty easy, you know, just having just to slide it in, and then once you got it in there, just matching up these holes to be able to put in that bolt through there. But it's in. Now we're gonna be putting on this lower control arm. Here's the old one. Look at that. That's that lower ball joint. Here's it. It looks like it came with hardware. Bolts. These ball joint. We're gonna get it out of this bag and put on. All right, there we go. We got that lower control arm on and that upper control arm on. Obviously, I don't have that bolted down tight because I gotta get that shock and spring back on, which I am most likely gonna be ordering here tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that brand new. And also the outer and the inner tie rods. I'm gonna go ahead and get these and replace the inner and outer tie rods. Let's go ahead and replace all this while I have everything gutted.